I don't have any doubts.
How will you do it?
You could factor. Oh, plus one. Then
Yes.
yeah, factor one, and then
Can you do this in on the board?
mm, um, is that right? I don't know if it is.
No, factorization means writing two or more terms as the product, not in this way. Writing the polynomial as the product form. So how will you do now?
Um, Meaning like
Like
solving
you
it?
know what I said. Suppose we have x squared minus 3x plus 2. We can write it like x minus 2 and x plus 1, x minus 1, right? So this is
Yeah,
as
but
the product.
mm, yeah,
Writing the polynomial in product form is called factorization.
we've only what is it? We've only done it when they have like terms,
Hmm.
right? And we're using distributive property.
Hmm.
So like if it's 3ab plus a b squared um minus a, we would write it like this.
Yes, that I got. But how will you do in such type of questions?
I don't think that we've learned that yet, but we
Hmm.
might be learning that now.
Okay.
So if you could teach that to me.
See, what we do, write this in, we can rewrite it like a square whole square plus 2 into a square into 1 plus 1 minus a square. Why minus a square? Because it has become 2a square over here.
Wait. This over here?
This is 2a square, na?
No, wait.
So,
Are you rewriting this as this?
yes.
Whoa.
So what we have done, these whole terms become a square plus 1 whole square, as it is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square minus.
Oh.
Now this is of the form a square minus b squared.
Wait. I didn't really understand this one. I understand how you got this from these two.
Okay,
But why is this minus? Shouldn't it be plus? Because this is
this
plus.
is, there is 2a square, 2 times a square, but here it was a square, 1a square. So what we did here, we took 2a square to form the identity. At the same time, we subtracted a square.
I'm not understanding.
A4 plus a square. Here it is a square only, but we have taken 2a square, right? So
For
we
for
cannot change the question, right? So what we did, we take a 2a square over here. At the same time, we subtracted a square, which becomes a square. So the question remains the same, and we use the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is a square plus 1 whole square, and this a square remains minus a square. Now got it, or still you are unable to
yeah,
get
I'm confused. Can you do it again but slowly?
it? Okay. This was like x4 plus x square plus 1, right? So
Hmm?
what we did, we wrote it like x square whole square
For this
plus,
one.
yeah, and we
So
have
because you add
taken
the
to make it as identity, we have taken 2 into a into b1 plus 1 square. Here it becomes 2x square, right? But here it
mm,
was
uh
1x
why
square.
why why is it
To
two
form
X?
an identity, to form an identity, we have
What does
taken
that mean?
a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here it is what? 2x square, but earlier it was x square. So we cannot change the question, right? So what we
Yeah.
did, we have taken 2x square over here and we subtracted x square. So it becomes x square. So
Oh, okay, so then this is 2x squared and this is x squared, so then it will just be left with x squared, which is
yes,
this.
yes.
Okay, but why do you need to make it so long? Like,
To make it as the means use the standard identity form. That's why. So x square plus 1 whole square and minus x square. So what we do, if we take a and b, then a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So this will be x square plus 1 minus x plus x squared plus 1 minus x. So this will be the final answer. Got it? Let us take
mm,
more examples.
oh yeah, because then you would just do x squared times x squared, which is x to the power 4, plus x squared times x squared, which is that. Okay, I understood. Um, I don't know what happened over here with the AB.
This is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square is in identity. A square plus 2ab plus b is 1, and 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. That is the identity that we have used.
Okay. Wait, can you write it out? Because I think that Zoom is cutting the screen off. Can you write it like over here? Because the screen cuts off at the end, so I can't see the full thing.
Can you do these 3 questions?
I can try, but I don't know if I'll be able to.
You will be able to. Why do you think you will not be able to?
I
These are the very
understood
simple
how you did
questions.
it the last time, but I don't know if I can do it.
Okay. Give
So
a try. Give a try. If you are not able to do, I'll make you understand.
12x squared.
Are you writing somewhere?
I'm just thinking.
Okay.
I know that. I know, depending on how you did it last time, this one might be like x times x plus 2x. I don't know what I'd do to the 6, but then at the end it would be minus x.
Are you doing second part?
Yeah, I don't really know how to do the first and the.
Okay, that
Wait, for this one you could do is it okay if I use distributive property?
yeah. That's why I've given
Okay.
you, because these are very simple questions, and you
3x
must have used it in your school.
4x minus 5y.
Yeah, that is the answer. That is the answer only.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then for in wait 1 second. All right. Would be
2a whole square,
for
2 times a whole squared.
oh wait 2. What? Why is this not working? 2 times a.
See, this is very simple. Take this one. 2a whole square minus 3b whole square. Is it?
Oh
So
yeah.
a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So this will be the answer.
Yeah.
What about this one?
Yeah, I the second one,
Yeah.
be x plus 1. Wait, no, I'm not doing this right.
See, if you have three terms in a polynomial, then either you can use the identity of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, or you can do the middle term splitting, MTS. We say MTS, middle term splitting. So how do you do this sum?
I think I learned I learned the identities, but that was a little bit ago,
Yeah.
so I don't really
So
remember
should I
them, you
help
know?
you? Should I help you?
Yes, please.
Okay. So second part is x squared plus x minus 6. What do we do?
Mm-hmm.
What is the coefficient of x squared?
Huh? Oh, x.
What is the coefficient of
Oh,
x squared?
coefficient. Sorry, one.
And what is the constant term?
Oh, x.
Constant term, not variable. I'm asking about constant term. This one. Constant term is 6
Oh,
minus 6.
yes, 6. Cause 6 is the constant, and then
So this can be written as 3 into 2. So what we do, we take the factors of this 6 in such a way that subtracting or adding those two factors, we should get the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? 1.
1.
So if we take 3 minus 2, that becomes 1. So we can split it like x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. Okay. Then
Mm.
x squared, it was x squared plus x minus 6. Okay, px equals to, polynomial equals to. So we can rewrite x squared plus 3 minus 2 x minus 6. So this is x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if we look at these two terms, then x is common factor. Here
Mm-hmm.
from here it is x plus 3, and from these two
Minus.
terms minus 2, x plus 3.
Oh, wow.
So x plus 3,
Oh.
x minus 2. Okay?
Yeah.
Checking more examples of MTS, middle term splitting.
Oh, wait, I understand how you did this.
Okay, I am giving a little bit different questions now.
Wait, can you give me a question right here, like where I put the line? And can you keep this up so I can solve it, but also while looking at this, so then I can at least get it down?
Yeah.
Can you give me a problem?
Yeah, I am just.
Like this one?
X squared, question 3, x squared plus 3x minus 180.
Okay, so mm,
I'm finding more questions for you. So
okay, so x plus 3. Then we have minus 180. Maybe just simplify 180. You can do.
again, in this question, you have to do MTS, middle term splitting. Split the middle term into two in such a way that by multiplying the factors, you should get AC. AC means coefficient of x square into the constant term. And by adding, you should get the middle term. No, that's not correct. 5 minus 2, but because you will not get the same thing.
Oh yeah, you have to get the same thing
So
as
if you take
180.
15 into 12,
Oh,
if you take
so
15 and 12, 15x minus 12x, then you
and that
will,
equals 180.
yeah,
15x minus 12 is 180. Then you have x plus 15 minus 12.
plus 15 will be there because you have taken negative 12 common outside. So sign gets changed. It will be x plus 15 into the bracket. Yeah. Now x plus 15 is common.
So then x plus 15, x minus 12.
Okay. I'm giving more questions, more simpler questions
Okay, but
on
don't
MTS.
change the screen.
Yeah, I know.
Cause I'm doing it slowly, but
Hmm.
I think I remember doing something like this, but I
Yes,
did
yes,
it a
yes.
while
You
ago.
have done lots of questions on this.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
had given you the assignment for the same, and you completed the assignment for MTS. I remember. Okay, so you have already done it. X squared plus 5x plus 6.
Okay.
One more question.
Wait.
Okay, one by one, right?
Yeah, one by one, cause I'm not the best at this. So it's middle term splitting. So x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6, right? So then x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3, and then you have x plus 3 and x plus 2.
Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, I'm so good! Yay!
Giving one more question on MTS. Then we will
Okay.
take different type of questions on factorizing. Okay, question number 5 is x squared minus 10x plus 24. Wait,
Okay, so that's 6 and 4. So x squared minus 6x plus 4x plus 24 x minus 6 plus so
you have made a mistake over here.
I have made a mistake.
Yeah, because minus negative 6x and plus 4x don't make my negative 10x. They make negative 2x.
They do. You're right.
So x
Then
squared.
wait. It would be you can have no. Wait.
Negative 6 and negative 4. Only sign was the issue.
Oh, yeah. X.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yay!
You did it.
Yay!
Now I am giving my little splitting questions, more questions, but a little bit means the difficulty level will be increased. X squared minus negative 23x plus 42. How will you do this?
Oh wow. Okay, wait. Let me get my calculator.
Yeah, you can.
42.
It's quite
Okay.
easy, Eddie. It's quite
X.
easy.
Yeah. X. Wait. What can I write? Okay. X squared minus 21x minus 2x plus 42 x minus 21 minus 2x plus 21. Wait, I did a mistake. No, minus 21. It's negative 2 minus. Wait, 1 second. So then.
Now you got the middle term splitting, you can do questions.
Yay!
Okay, one more question. X squared minus 21x plus 90.
90.
Yeah.
90. I'm thinking. Wait.
It's 90. 90.
Yeah, I'm thinking. 90. No. I can't seem to think of factor that would add up to 21. I know that you can use the negative and the plus
Yeah, yeah.
But
So how do you find the factor? I'm giving one idea to you, and you know, one idea can change one's life. So 90 is 90 has the factor. What we do, we take the pair of factors, right? 1 and 90. Number itself and 1 are the two factors for all the numbers.
yeah,
And 245, 255,
330,
330, okay,
910.
518, 615, okay, and 910.
Wait, 6.
Okay, so if we take these two factors,
21. So
perhaps we will get the thing. 15 plus 6 is
yeah.
1.
What is it? Okay. Minus.
Negative 15x, negative 6x.
Wait. Yeah. 6x minus 15x plus 90.
Negative 6.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
That is the answer. Okay.
Mhm.
So here comes one more question. Question number 7. 6x squared plus 11x minus 10
Okay. Now I see it. Sorry, I couldn't see it before. Wait. So. Oh, negative 10. Wait. Oh, okay, wait. Oh, wait. 6x squared, plus 11, no. 10x, wait, 10, negative 1, negative 10, oh, wait. Right.
So you are forgetting one more thing. So what we do, we take the coefficient of x squared into the constant term.
Oh, 6 times negative 10, so then you have x squared plus 11x minus 60. Right? Or no?
You can say, but see, 6 into negative 10 is 6 and negative 60. That is 60 is the AC equals to 60. So we need to find the factors of 60 such that we can get the middle term. We can get
Oh,
the coefficient of
add
x.
them? Oh, you add them?
No. See, 60 has two factors. 15 into 4 is 60. Okay, 15 into 4. So we had to take actually,
Oh,
we had to take 6 into 10, 60. So we have factors 160, 230, 415. 15 4 ja?
yeah.
60 and
60
15 minus 4,
is 11
15, yeah, is 11. So 6x square plus 15x negative
minus
4x
4x
minus 10
minus 10.
equals to 3x common 2x plus 5 negative 2 2x plus 5. See, we must have these two things equal.
Mm-hmm.
2x plus 5 and 3x minus 2 is the answer.
So then over here we have to have 2 times 30, which is 60 also. And this time it has to add up to negative 17. Mm, 1 second.
What is the next pair of factors over here?
20 and 3.
Okay.
If you do 2x squared minus 20x
Plus 3.
minus 3x.
No, plus
minus
3x, plus 3x. Negative 20.
Oh yeah, plus 3x, and then you'd get 2x x minus 10 plus 3x minus 10. Yeah, 2x plus 3. Yeah, x minus 10.
Okay, you got it actually.
Yay.
Factorizing by regrouping. How to factorize cubic polynomial? Do you know how to do that?
How to factorize what?
Cubic polynomial.
No.
So let's do some questions on factorizing cubic polynomial. The topic name is how to factorize a cubic polynomial. Suppose we have cubic polynomial, like, let us take an example. Question 1. Polynomial with variable x is x cube negative 23x plus 142x negative 120. Suppose this is a polynomial and we need to factorize it. So what we do, what is the coefficient of cubic term? What is the coefficient of x cube? 1. 1. And the constant term is negative 120. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 120 into 1 is 120. So the factors comes like plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, and so on. There will be several factors.
Can't you wait? Can't you combine combine these two and then apply the factors of 120?
You cannot. Can you? Oh, okay, just a minute. This is x square actually.
Oh, x squared. Okay.
This is x square. So there are several factors of negative 120. 120 into 1 is 120. So there are several factors. Out of them, how to find which one would work. So here we use.
Wait. When you find the factors, which one would it work for which?
Yeah,
Would it have to apply to both?
that is I'm telling you.
Oh, okay.
So
Sorry.
there will be several factors, right? So out of those
Mhm.
factors, it will be hidden trial method to find, and it can take time. So what do we do? See, we use the factor theorem. Factor theorem. What is that? It says, suppose A is a real number, which
Mhm.
makes the polynomial zero, then x minus a is the factor. What does the factor theorem say? If any real number makes the polynomial zero, means if we put, suppose we put in place of x, we put a is any real number, and it makes the polynomial zero, that means x minus a would be the factor of the polynomial, right? So what we do, we take the benefit of this factor theorem, and if we take x equals to 1, if we take x equals to 1, then p1 is what? 1 cube minus 23, 1 square plus 142, 1 minus 120. What do we get? We get 1 minus 23 plus 142 minus 120 is negative 22, positive 22 equals to 0. Got it? Hello?
Oh,
So what we
wow.
do, we say x minus 1, therefore x minus 1 is the factor of px. So we will try, we will use the factor theorem. We can take negative 1 as well. If negative 1 makes the polynomial 0, then factor will be x plus 1. If positive 1 makes the polynomial 0, then factor is x minus 1, negative 1. Okay.
Okay.
So x minus 1 is the factor of px. What we do, for other factors, we divide this polynomial by x minus 1. So do you know how to divide a polynomial?
Isn't it subtraction of the exponents?
Yeah, just a minute, x minus 1, and here it is x cubed minus 23x plus 142x minus. What do we do? We take the first term x cubed, and we take first term of this one. If we divide, we get x squared over here. So we take x squared, right? And we multiply it by x minus 1. So x squared into x is x cubed, and minus 1 into x squared is, here it is x squared, negative x squared. And then if we subtract, for subtracting, what we do, we change the sign. So this is negative 23 and this is positive 1 is negative 22x squared plus 142x minus 120. Now what we do, so we take negative 22x, negative 22x. So if we take negative 22x, then it becomes negative 22x into x, negative
Wait, why
22.
not x squared? Negative
Yeah.
22x squared.
X into x makes x square. We have to multiply it
Oh.
by, yeah. Negative 22 and negative 1 makes positive 22x. And we change the sign, cancel out 120x minus 120. Finally, we take plus 120. So it makes 120x and minus 120, which makes 0. Okay? Makes 0.
Whoa.
So we have another factor as x squared minus 22x plus 120. So polynomial can be written as, polynomial px can be written as x minus 1, this x minus 1 into this quotient x squared minus 22x plus 120. Now we can do the middle term splitting on this quadratic polynomial. So finally we can rewrite it, x minus 1 and x squared minus 22x plus 120 can be written as, so x squared minus 22x plus 120 can be written as x squared, and 12 into 10 is 120, so negative 12x, negative 10x plus 120. So this is, x is common, x minus 12, 10 is common, x minus 12. So we have got x minus 12, x minus 10. So finally, px can be written as x minus 1, x minus 12, x minus 10. These three factors are there. Hello,
Hmm?
have you got it? Little bit.
Yeah. When you did the middle split,
Okay, so what we did
it
actually,
was a little hard, but yeah.
let us take some simpler question. Okay.
I didn't know how to divide,
Okay.
but
So
I understood some of it. Yeah. I understood.
question. Let us take one more example. Suppose fx equals to, function is x cubed minus 2x squared and negative x plus 2, and you need to factorize it. See, in this case, it is quite easier to do that. Even by observing, you can do this.
Okay. So,
How will you do?
well,
Can you give a
1,
try? Yeah, 1.
2, and then from 2, this is 2 itself, and this is 1. So, wait. Wait, how do you wait? So yeah, how do you do it again? You would have the
Take the value of x, means put in place of x 1 or -1, whatever, which can make the polynomial 0.
0,
Yeah,
right? So if we put 1,
yeah.
then it would be 1 minus 2, 1 squared minus 1 plus 2, right? If we replaced it with 1. So then 1 minus 2 squared, 4 minus 1 plus
There is
2.
no 4. 1 is square. 1 is square is 1.
Oh,
So 1 minus 2.
just 2 then. And then this would be oh 1.
So
Mm.
how will you do now? You will take the factor x minus 1 and you will divide the polynomial by x minus 1. You will get a
Yeah, see,
quadratic.
that's where it's a little bit hard because I don't know how to divide polynomials like that.
Okay.
So x
Take the
minus 1.
first take the first term first. So it is x cube. Suppose
Mhm.
you divide x cube by x, you will get
You
x
got
squared, right?
x squared, yeah.
So take x squared over here, yeah, and multiply it by x minus 1. So x square is multiplied by x minus 1. You can take like this, x square x minus 1 equals to x cube minus x square. You can write over here. You can write over here x cube minus x square.
Oh,
X cube minus x square. And then you can change the sign over here for subtraction. Got cancelled. Here negative x square, negative
wait,
x
slow
plus
down,
2.
slow down. Um,
Do it. Now negative x square is the first term divided by
wait,
x.
you do. Wait. Wait, sorry. But then what happens to negative 2x? If you have negative 2x minus x squared.
No, it was sign got changed, na? So it has become plus x square, positive x square. So negative 2
Ooh,
and positive 1 makes negative 1 x square.
okay, yeah. And then x divided by negative x squared is negative x.
Yes.
So
So negative x
negative
square.
x times x. Wait, minus 1? Wait, no, wait, sorry, 1 second. So, negative x minus 1 equals negative x squared plus x?
Yeah, plus x.
So then negative x squared plus x. Subtract, no sign change. This is 0 plus 2.
No. Sign got changed. If you subtract the sign of it will be plus, and here it is minus. So negative 2x. It is negative 2x plus 2.
Negative 2x plus 2. Then you do x divided by negative 2x,
Yeah.
which is negative 2, negative 2x minus 1, negative 2x plus 2, negative 2x plus 2, 0.
Yeah. So you got x squared minus x minus 2 as the second polynomial, second factor.
Oh,
And now middle term splitting can be done.
yeah, I understood it.
So what
Meaning
we'll do from here onward, what we will do, just a minute. From here onward, we will write fx, we will write fx equals to x minus 1, this x minus 1 multiplied by this factor x square minus x minus 2. Now x square minus x minus 2 can be written as 2 into 1 is 2, so x square negative 2x positive 1x minus 2. So x is common, x minus 2 plus 1 x minus 2. So this is x plus 1 x minus 2. So finally what we can write fx equals to x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2. This will be the answer, final answer.
Oh.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
And if you observe carefully, you could do it without doing anything, without doing these all things. So how? Let's see. So if you observe these two terms, what is the common? X square is common.
Yeah.
So x minus 2. And here negative 1 is common, x minus 2.
Oh.
So x minus 2 is common in both the terms. So this can be written as x minus 2 and x square minus 1, is it?
Yeah.
And x square minus 1 is what? X minus 1 into x plus
And
1.
x plus 1. Oh. Oh.
So you could do it in 2 steps.
Yeah, you can either solve it all out or you can.
So either going by the methods of factorization of cubic polynomial, or you could do it by just rearranging the terms or regrouping the terms. You could do it. Okay.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
I hope you have got some new concepts today.
Yeah.
And
With the dividing
yeah.
polynomials, I didn't know how to do it. I learned that.
Yeah,
I
we did factorizing of cubic polynomial and middle term is splitting. I'll send
Yeah.
this board to you. Okay, I make the
Okay.
PDF. I just make the PDF of it and I save it. So PDF is saved over here. I'll send it to you. You can go through once again at your home, and hope you will do more questions, more doubts will be there, and we can discuss in the class. Okay?
Thank you.
In a positive note, stay at home, do good, obey your parents because they are the mentors, they are the guide. They can give you the best of their experiences. Okay? So it might look like a kind of lectures in the beginning at your age, but it's true that the parents are the best mentors, best guide. Okay?
They are. You're right. Yeah.
Good. Take care. Bye.
You too. Stay safe.